Do you need to generate and print barcode labels automatically using price list data? If you want to create labels with different barcodes, dynamically generated from the codes of a product price list in an Excel file or any other database, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to creating perfect labels, ready to print. First, make sure your data is organized correctly in Excel. The columns must be identifiable. Each column must contain specific information, such as the product code, the name, the list price, and the barcode, depending on the type of label you want to create. Labeljoy will dynamically transform the barcode number into the image of a barcode in the chosen format. In this tutorial, I'll use the EAN13 codes assigned by the GS1 Barcode Authority. Now, open Labeljoy. If you haven't installed the program yet, download it from the Labeljoy website and install it on your computer. You can also find a free demo on the website, suitable for testing. To start, select the layout that corresponds to the sheet of labels you want to print. You can choose from more than 11,000 layouts corresponding to the most common brands. In today's video, I'll use a sheet of labels from Oply. You can select the brand from the list or type part of the name in the search bar to find it automatically. Click OK, and the layout will be applied to the Labeljoy workspace. If a layout is not available, you can create a custom version using this tab in the Layout Settings window. Now you're ready to load the data of your price list into Labeljoy. Click Data Source and select Excel. Click Browse in the second step and select the file containing the data you want to print. Follow the steps of the wizard until the final screen, which will display the loaded data and the number of detected entries. Finally, click OK. Now you're ready to map the fields of the Excel file inside your labels. First, delete the existing elements so that you can insert the fields you want to import. Starting from product name, simply drag the element inside the label space. Labeljoy will generate variable data for each of the label positions. You can easily verify the imported data with those in the source file. As you can see, they match. Continue by importing the product code, which I place vertically on the left side of the label. Then, import the price list. Since this is a numeric value, click this space and select Currency. You can also add some formatting. Now you can import the main element, the barcode. Click this icon and the imported field will be converted into a barcode. The default symbology in which Labeljoy imports barcodes is code 128. But you can change it by clicking Symbology and selecting EAN13. At this point, our label is ready to be printed. I imported 45 lines, so Labeljoy generated 45 labels, distributed over 4 pages. Each label has variable values based on the data in the source file. Once the fields are mapped, Labeljoy will automatically generate the labels using the data in your Excel file. It's really easy. If necessary, you can also sort the uploaded data to print only some elements. Clicking Filter gives you access to an adjustable filter. In this case, for example, I'll filter the products that have a price greater than $20. Here, Labeljoy selects 13 rows corresponding to the criteria I have set, for a total of 13 labels. Now, I click OK. As you can see, there are now 2 pages, with 12 labels on the first page and 1 on the second page, corresponding to the products that match the set criteria. When you're ready to print, click File, then Print to send the labels to your printer. Labeljoy also lets you customize the print settings so that everything comes out just perfect. And that's it. You've learned how to easily use Labeljoy to upload data from Excel and create custom labels in a few simple steps. Happy labeling!